You're not tired, you're avoiding responsibility. You're not confused, you're avoiding the truth. You're not lost, you're hiding behind distractions, stuck in patterns you refuse to break. You're just full of excuses and undisciplined. Most of your problems are just well-practiced avoidance. Truth is, you don't need motivation. What you need is confrontation. And until you face yourself, nothing is going to change. The Stoics would call it irrational, but Einstein called it madness to keep doing the exact same things and expecting the results to be different each time. I guess you call it normal, repeating what doesn't work, hoping your life will fix itself. Let's end the lies with 5 Stoic questions that will ruin your excuses and maybe save your life. Question 1. If your life stays exactly the way it is right now, will you be proud on your deathbed? Forget dreams. Look at your habits. That's your future. And no one is coming to fix it for you, but you. Question 2. What are you pretending not to know? You already know what's wrong. You've known for a while now. But the lie feels more comfortable than working toward the change. And comfort is the slowest way to die. Question 3. What do you keep doing, even though you know it's destroying you? You don't need advice, you need to stop lying to yourself. Clarity isn't the problem. Courage is. Question 4. What pain are you avoiding that's quietly running your life? The things you refuse to feel have a way of becoming the patterns you can't stop repeating. Question 5. What would you do today if you weren't scared of being judged? You weren't born afraid. You were taught to fear opinions, to trade that freedom for approval. And now, you're a prisoner in your own mind. A man doesn't become wise by avoiding himself. He becomes wise by looking in the mirror and not flinching. Ask yourself those hard questions today. So here's your challenge. Pick the question that hit you the hardest. And write your honest answer down, today. No filters. No story. Just the truth. You owe yourself that much. Because until you face yourself, you'll keep building a life that's contrary to who you really are. Burn the lies. Rebuild with truth. You've got one soul, own it. Walk into your Stoic form today, not tomorrow.